My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the SafMoon coin. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that kindly make a video on SafMoon. What is the best time to buy, sell or hold SafMoon coin? As you know, the currently price change occur in the SafMoon is in negative. The last one day change negative, last 1 hour change negative. That is why a lot of people confuse that what is the best time. As it the best time to buy, sell or hold SafMoon coin. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers, that what is the best decision for all of you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. Now if we talk about the price of SafMoon coin, so the price is about 0.00003 USD dollar is the current price of the SafMoon coin, and the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is in positive, friends. Now let's see the more details of the SafMoon coin. What's the price change goes in the last 1 hour, friends. After that we look the last 1 day, friends, and try to detect the next target of SafMoon coin, friend. If we look the last 1 day 1 hour, at this time the currently last 1 hour change, so absolutely as you can see here, negative 5.07 USD percent change occur in a last 1 hour change negative, and the price is about 0.00004 USD dollar is the current price of SafMoon coin, and the previous last 1 hour price, that is the highest point. And if we look the currently price, so absolutely I think a 0.1% change occur in the SafMoon coin in this last 1 hour, friends. Now if we look the last 1 day price prediction, what's the prices goes in the last 1 day. So as you can see here, tomorrow yesterday continuously fast of SafMoon coin starts now. The yesterday high price of the SafMoon coin is about 0.0007 USD dollar, the high price of SafMoon coin in previous days. And now if we the current price, so the current price is about 0.00003 USD dollar is the current price. That's mean that continuously fast occur in the SafMoon coin. As you can see here, continuously a very bad dump occur in the SafMoon coin. If we look the current situation of SafMoon coin, so I think maybe they take a jump, but unfortunately it's very difficult to SafMoon that they recover has jumped in the last 1 day, friends, today. If we look at technical analysis, so technical analysis tell us that is a support level and that is a resistance level, friends, as you can see here, friends. And now if they continue as travel between the take a jump and again fast down, and now they again take a jump, friends. So maybe they take a jump at this point and again they fast down, friends, because they also not don't take a high jump, because according to technical analysis this issue, as you can see here, at this time they bend. That's mean that now the currently falls of the SafMoon coin are again take a high jump, and after a high jump they again fast occurs in the SafMoon coin. So what's your opinion? My opinion is that my personal experience that now the SafMoon coin are fast down, friends, but that is a temporary fast of 2 days 3 days. After that they take a again jump and move very highly. So according to technical analysis, my suggestion for you to please hold your SafMoon coin with the last of this month, because it's just the beginning of SafMoon coin take a jump. When they take a jump, so it's the best time for you to buy. If you need money, so buy it, so sorry sell it. And if you don't need any kind of money, so please my suggestion for all of you to please hold SafMoon coin. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.